guys, now you just saw me placing that plaster mold in the kiln, and it has to stay in there for the next 15 hours so it can dry and burn out that 3D print completely. And when that is done, I'm gonna start melting these gold nuggets here, including that little knife that I made a couple of months ago. And then I'm gonna cast that Iron Man helmet and hopefully it will succeed. Now, in the meanwhile, I wanted to let you know, guys, that I found an awesome company and they're called Opinion Outpost. Now, the great thing about Opinion Outpost is that they pay you to take online surveys. Yep, that's right. I tried it myself and it's very easy to do. Just click the link that is in the description below, make an account, and you're ready to go. And maybe you can spend that money on buying some casting equipment and start casting yourself. Now, you can get paid by PayPal, Amazon, or the App Store credits, and you can start earning right now by clicking that link in the description below. Make money while watching TV, on the bus, or even on the toilet, or in my case, while my plaster mold is drying in the kiln. Again, thank you so much for Opinion Outpost for sponsoring this video and for offering this easy way to make extra money online. Okay guys, I will skip the next 15 hours like this and start melting some gold. Here we go.